In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to tap on Google. Now you need to hit All Services, scroll again and tap on Autofill with Google here. Then select Google Password Manager, select the password you wish to edit and enter your screen lock to access Edit button. Then change whatever you want to. When you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!